Hello and good evening. This is MED 503 Unit 4 DB. My name is Penny Davis. I'm student number 184-90938. And tonight we're going to discuss fingerprints and the science behind it. A lesson on the importance of fingerprints for 6th graders. The goals of this fingerprints for 6th graders lesson is to teach what fingerprints are and why fingerprints are a lesson in safety. What we will need, well, the overview is that they'll take 3 pieces of white paper. We will need Scotch tape, a magnifying glass, and a lead pencil. Number 2 is preferred. And what your teachers will have your students do is trace their hands, one on each of 2 sheets of white paper, one page for the right, 1 page for the left. And then you'll take the 3rd paper, have the student to take their number 2 pencil, scratch a circle in the middle, shading it very darkly. Then they'll take their right pinky finger, rub it in the lead on the paper, and then take the right handprint that they traced, take that, first you'll take then the Scotch tape, a piece, put it on the pinky finger, carefully lift it off, place it on top of the right finger, on the right piece of paper where that handprint is, fill it up, then you now have a right fingerprint on that page. Now do the same thing continuously with all 10 fingers on each page. The 5 on the right, the 5 on the left, until that's complete, and then you have all of your fingerprints. Then they'll take the magnifying glass and look at the fingerprints so that they can see the whorls and the curves that make up the lines on the fingertips, which is the fingerprint. And we'll be doing a mock crime scene, which is that we're trying to discover who stole the cookies. So we take everybody's fingerprints, and then we get into groups and we compare them to each other's. And we decide who took who stole the cookies. We might also use the magnifying glass to look for cookie crumbs. So what they will need is 3 sheets of plain white paper, a number 2 lead pencil, clear Scotch tape, and a magnifying glass. The best message for teaching this to a student is to make it fun. It's not just a lesson. We're pretending to be investigators in a crime scene. So we're getting everyone's fingerprints, as I said, to determine who stole the cookies. And the fingerprints are take-home gifts for the parents. And in case of like a natural disaster, kidnapping, they're very beneficial. Thank you and good evening.